In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your friends' birthdays on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first step, open up Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your Facebook account, and after that tap right here to go to menu. On menu, towards the top right corner of the screen, tap at that search icon and then just search for birthdays. Then tap at birthdays right over here at the search results, and what that will do, that will show you all your friends' upcoming birthdays in chronological order.